Here we are at Los Andes in Atitlan volcano in Guatemala. Los Andes is a coffee and tea farm. It's a family estate. The main thing is to be able to work in a sustainable and in a harmonious way with three large elements that we work all together here. Basically, is people and nature and economics. If we don't have one of those three elements, it's just not sustainable. It's not only important to give people education or to give people money. My father's philosophy here is don't give the kids the fish, but teach them how to fish, because then they'll be independent and they'll be free to choose and they'll be able to make a livelihood by themselves.
No hay peligro ni nada, es un lugar bastante agradable. Aire bastante puro y todo, ¿verdad? Y está bastante bonito vivir aquí en este lugar.
We are working to preserve the nature in these lands for future generations. We also try to do all the processings in an ecological way, and basically that means that with the coffee, everything has to be done in a way that doesn't hurt nature. When we started working here in the 90s, they created a Solidarity Association. This is a model that started in Costa Rica and we have been using it now in Guatemala. And it's a model where a community gets together and they create a saving and loans association.
Sí, formo parte de la solidaridad de los Andes, ¿verdad? Sí, estoy ahorrando dinero, tengo una buena parte, ¿verdad? Y lo estoy ahorrando para comprarme una moto.
We're now being able to sell our coffees also to more specialized markets that really appreciate good quality coffees that come from sustainable communities.
It's important that they buy coffee from Olga's farm, first and foremost, because it tastes great, okay? Secondly, because it's providing jobs here in the U.S., you know, our baristas, all that. Thirdly, it is providing a livelihood for the people who live in Guatemala.
Well, for us, it's very important to preserve all the things here to have this sustainability. The nature, clean water, the school, and also the other important thing is the people. So we need to invest in the people to have a good education for the people and a good way of life. Maybe it's not a very sophisticated way of life, but it's a good way of life. And more or less better than living in a difficult situation in a big city like Guatemala.